Hello friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are going to study some definitions and Newton's law of motion. Frames of reference. Fundamental physical law of classical mechanics are Newton's law of motion. What do you mean by state of rest? The body does not change its position with respect to some stationary objects in the surrounding. That is state of rest. State of motion means the body changes position with respect to some stationary objects in the surrounding. Laws of mechanics. Newton's law of motion. First law, the law of inertia. Every body passes in its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless it is compelled to change that state by forces impressed on it. Okay, that is the first law of Newton's law of motion, the law of inertia. Inertia means a body cannot change in its state of rest or state of uniform motion by itself. The inability is inherent with every material body and it is called inertia. Inertia is a measure of mass, means that when the mass of the body increases, the inertia also increases. So the first law and inertia, they are connected. They gives the measure of mass. Second law, law of causality. The force acting on a body is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum, and the change of momentum takes place in the direction of force. Okay, the mathematical representation of the second law is F is equal to dp by dt. From that, P is momentum is equal to mass into velocity. D by dt of mv, that is m is constant, so take outside, and dv by dt, that is time derivative of velocity, that is acceleration. So from that we get force is equal to mass into acceleration. So this is very important equation, that is force is equal to product of mass and acceleration. In second law we know that if external force is equal to 0, the body which continue the uniform motion or the state of rest, that will get from the second law of motion. So second law contains first law. What is Newton's third law? Law of reciprocity. That is, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. F12 is equal to F21. Force on M2 by M1, that is F12, and force on M1 by M2, that is F21. The total linear momentum of any isolated pair of mutually interacting particles is also conserved. It's another statement of third law. There is reaction and reaction for a system that must be equal and opposite. Thank you for watching.